Actually, this has been happen. No, ये कैसे शुरू हुआ? Before 2-3 years पहले भी ये सारे like हमारा गवर्नमेंट ने communal hate बहुत ज़्यादा से सोसाइटी में सोशल मीडिया में स्प्रेड किया this is how it began. So before this violence has been started also verbally in social media. The government themselves has created it. So they had a pre-plan. They are working against on it for a long time, and suddenly at this point of time it come out into a full-blown. So this is how it started completely. If you want कोई भी पूछो ये कैसे start किया, ये तो government ने किया बोलेगा. If you ask anybody here, everyone will say. Even every other community also know about it. This is how it began. Yeah. Second point is that after the conflict, everything is becoming changed. Food is becoming very expensive, and then especially हमारे लिए, we don't have nothing left. All our hope is gone. Even those who have money, those who are very rich, even those who are rich also, they did not get their needs. उनके लिए one person to stay survive, all the basic needs to नहीं मिला. From a day one ब्लॉक कर दिया मेरा पाई भी लोग, गवर्नमेंट लोग, ये सब सारे मेटे, द गवर्नमेंट, द पब्लिक, द मॉब, मेरा पाई भी, उसका मिलिट्री भी, they were turning against us. So everything is not available. From May से till अभी तक, आज तक, they have blocked all the essential items, supply chain सारे block कर दिया. So we are completely relying, depending from Mizoram side. वो Mizoram side के भी मुश्किल से मिलता है. For one truck to reach from Mizoram to here in Lamka, it take 2-3 days. And उसका रास्ता भी बहुत खराब है, मुश्किल से यहाँ तक पहुँचाए. Sometimes there is a landslide, there is a raining, So हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत
geographical problem,
geographical weather, climate problem, उसके साथ साथ भी बहुत दूर है उस तरफ. So things are becoming very very expensive, and it's very difficult to explain also. हम लोग कैसे मुश्किल से जिंदा हुआ surviving, only surviving matter में. Yeah, that's why we are needing this survival for these separate administrations. क्यों हम मांग रहे हैं? Why we are asking? That is to survive, for our survival. We have no option, so we no longer have an option. We are not left with nothing. There is no hope, there is no food. Now we are worried. हम बहुत मुश्किल है, अभी परेशान हुआ है. Because why we are worried? Either we will die in bullet or hunger.
दो ही ऑप्शन.
वही उसका on that situation we are here. Even people who are living here in relief camp, we ourselves who are not living in a relief camp are also उसका situation में. So it was so difficult. ये बहुत difficult है, इसलिए we don't even know how to explain it, because everything is मुश्किल हो गया, So there is no way which one you have to explain, how you have to कैसे समझाएगा दूसरा लोग, how the difficulty we have been through.
And third one.
The third one is the food and medicine. Don't hope for everything. If you survive with rice and dal, you have to be happy. उसका situation में है हम. Now nobody can go to the village and collect some vegetable, natural resource, They cannot go to the jungle, because if they go to the jungle, they will fire beggars again. Nobody cannot do agriculture also. So completely everything सारे खराब हो गया. Medicine also, if you have money from the supply from the Mizoram only, that also very very limited stock. मुश्किल से, in a very expensive, you will get it only. And so many people have died because we cannot. हम Imphal तक नहीं जा पाए, because in Imphal every good doctor, every good hospitality, every institution, every college, every good thing were in Imphal. So we already miss here. Nobody cannot go for diagnostic cancer or any kind of sickness to Imphal. If they go to Mizoram, they don't have money. Here we don't have good facility of health care,
दोनों जगहों के बीच में काफी गैप है.
काफी गैप है, इसलिए there are lots of people. Even one girl died in this room. she was suffering, and the other girl also there, she has to inject insulin. There is no medicine. There is a cancer patient भी है. सारे सब कुछ, we just have to bear it all together, you know.
And fourth point.
The fourth point is women health and pregnant women, children. The children are also, they cannot go to school anymore, you know, and they just have to spend their life like this. There is no internet, no TV, you know. Everyone from the smallest to the old people, older people, the small one, the adult, the children, everyone has to just be happy. If you are आप जिंदा है तो वही में खुश हो. Or if you have dal and rice, then you are alive. You have to be happy. You are not dead. उसका situation में है, you know.
Okay, thank you.
It's like that, yeah.